Hey guys, good morning. And right now we are in Thailand. I am back from Singapore and Malaysia, so just want to give the full details of how to travel from India to Singapore and which countries what needed to be done. So before you left India, you need to apply for a carnet. Carnet is must and should for every Indian who is traveling to other country like Myanmar and Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore or Laos. So first of all, you need to apply for the carnet from WIAA, Western Indian Automobiles Mumbai. There was one more carnet called AIA. So Singapore does not accept AIA carnets. So they accept only WIAA carnets. And one of the most important thing is the moment you get the carnet, you can you need to do some security deposit depending on your cost of your bike, and the 5 pages carnet is around 8,000 plus 18% GST, which is around 96,000, and 10 pages carnet is around 1 lakh 18% GST, which is around 1 lakh 20,000, and that's what, guys. You need to get that first, and after that, like you have to wait. Normally, Myanmar, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, they doesn't need your carnet because they have a special permit which they make it from the government, and you need to get that before. So once you get your carnet, you need to talk to guide in Myanmar, because to get into the Myanmar, they don't need a carnet, but they need a permission from the land department. Okay, so to get the permission from the land department, they need at least 15 to 20 days. So then in Myanmar, guide and escort vehicle is mandatory. So if you need some information on that, I can help you with the best guide and escort vehicle for you. There was one brother, Jumin. He is a very nice man, and he takes care, and the hotels or the places he takes and the books was extraordinary, mind blowing. And not only that, the Myanmar tourist police welcomes all the riders from the different countries, and they are very friendly. And one of the best place to visit is also Myanmar. So you need to visit. Then after Myanmar, to enter into Thailand, you need to give your carnet, and you need to give your international driving license. And from here also, you need to apply for the permit 1 month ahead, and it is gonna cost you around 400 to 500 US dollars. So before you enter, you need to get this one. Without this, you will be in so much problem, because at the Mae Sot border, they will stop you there only, so they don't let you in without this in Mae Sot border. And most of the people, what they do is they ship their bike from Myanmar directly to the Laos and enter from Laos. But same issue, guys. If you're doing that also, you need to pay around 800 something per vehicle US dollars. So you better just enjoy the Thailand. And there was a brother called Tum. He's a very nice guy, and he's the one who makes all these permits, and he's a very helpful man and very good guy. And after that, to enter into Malaysia, Malaysia is one of best the best bikers friendly country. And the moment you enter into Malaysia, you are like a king. They respect all the bikers, and if you have all the documents. So, and my suggestion is apply a stamp visa, even for Thailand, even for Malaysia. You just apply for the stamp visa, then you won't have any problem. And to come into Malaysia, all you need is, before you reach you cross the border of Thailand. In the Thailand border, you need to apply for the Malaysian insurance. And once you get the Malaysian insurance, you can finish off your immigration. Then please ask for the customs, and please stamp your carnet. Once you enter into the border, once you finish off your immigration, ask for the customs, go stamp your carnet, and once you finish the carnet, take the insurance and stamp thing of the carnet and your bike documents to J. There was one office called JPJ, and at JPJ they will give you the uh, in a international circle permit. That is very mandatory for every international travelers. So JPJ is very mandatory for every international traveler. So you must have the JPJ. Without JPJ you will have so many issues, so make sure you get a JPJ. And after that, once you got that ICP, international circular permit, you are well done, and you can enter into the Malaysia and you can enjoy the roads. And they have a separate lines, and if it is raining you can stop anywhere. I mean, they have a separate parking place for the bikes when it was raining in the highway. It is so nice, and the highways are awesome good, and you can enjoy like anything. And after that, to enter into Singapore, which is very hard, you need to park your bike at the border of Johor, and then you take your carnet, everything, and you go to the you go inside the Singapore by bus, or you need to take a cab, and you go to this Automobile Association of Singapore. Automobile Association of Singapore is the main one who stamps your carnet. And to apply for insurance, the insurance cost depends on your bike CC and your age. And my bike CC is 411, and I am around 30 years old. Then they charge me around 220 Singapore dollars, which is around 11,000. And then to get an ICP, International Circular Permit, to roam inside the Singapore, that is costing you around 56 Sing dollars. Then after you get that insurance, and once you get the ICP, then your carnet is stamped in the Singapore. You need to go back to the JB Johor branch, and then from there you need to get your bike and start driving across the border. And once you reach the after you finish your immigration in the Singapore, then after you finish the checkpoint, and then when you are entering into the Singapore, on your right hand side you will find a place called Auto Pass. You need to have that Auto Pass, or else you will be charged a lot per day. So Auto Pass is the one of the mandatory thing. So you need to have the Auto Pass to drive in Singapore. So you get that Auto Pass, and it is almost all 10 Sing dollars, which is $6 for the card, and I mean $6 for 3 days, and $4 for the card, I think. So that's what happens. And after that you can drive in Singapore, and there is one ETA, which is it's like a toll gate, and when it is walking, and if you enter into that toll gate, you need to pay 70 Sing dollars. So you better avoid those toll gates if you are entering into, you know, Singapore. Don't take that toll gates. They will let you know about it. And that's what, guys. So after that you can come back, or you can ship your bike, because whatever I heard is like most of the people they ship their bike. And to enter into Vietnam, you also, if you are planning to do Cambodia, Vietnam, they also have a separate law that you need a tour guide and a permit, mandatory for big vehicles. Okay, they don't entertain big vehicles. They can say 149cc is okay, but not more than that 149cc. So that's the problem happening. So that's what, guys. So whoever planning to travel all the way from India to Singapore, this is the most important information. And if you need any more information, I am always ready to help you. So that's it, guys. And I have a Facebook page called Royal Rider Josh, and Insta page is also same thing called Royal Rider Josh, ROYALRIDER and JOSH. And I ride for a cause. I have been here visiting many orphanages, helping their children with the food and speaking in the schools, motivating the children. So that's what, guys. Anyway, I hope there are many Indians who would like to travel to abroad, and it would be a very great thing from our country. Okay, guys, see you. Take care.